Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that introduction you just seen. I know it's different than what I normally do, but it's just been very wet, dark, and gloomy outside. It's been raining on and off all day today, actually all week, which I am here for it because it just means that my vegetable garden is getting that good water, most of my house plants as well. And in today's video, my house is clean, the kids are in school, so I just thought I'd do a day in the life. In today's video, it's just pretty much self-care. I'm gonna be watering my plants as well. I am also going to start my vegetable seedling, and hopefully I have a very good fall harvest because my summer harvest wasn't that well at all. I got a few vegetables, but not what I really wanted for all that work that I honestly did. And I also wanted to, which I already started removing a lot of my summer decor, but I'm going to start putting out my fall decor. I know it's not fall yet, but this weather is making it feel like fall vibes, and I am here for it. I'm so happy and excited that fall is around the corner. So that is what we're going to be doing in today's video as well. And as for what's for dinner, I'm not sure what I want to make because I have a lot of lentils, so I wanted to make lentil soup for the first time. But since we are still here in the we're kind of like in the 90s, so to me that's still kind of hot to eat a hot soup. But I'm dying to try to make the lentil soup for the very first time and see if the family will enjoy that. Or I wanted to make a veggie wrap, which is still very refreshing to eat in this type of heat here in Texas. So I don't know, it's between those two on what I want to make, but we shall see. Maybe once I'm doing everything I need to do around the house, it would just hit me and get me in that mood on what I want to make for dinner. So let's just go ahead and enjoy this relaxing day. But before doing so, I do want to mention that a lot of you guys are watching my videos but aren't subscribed. It's about 90% of you guys that are not subscribed. So if you can just pause this video for about 2 seconds and go subscribe, it's totally free on subscription, and then you can come back and play this video and finish watching. But this just lets YouTube know that you are enjoying my videos, and YouTube can push out most of my videos for recommending for other people to watch as well. So I just wanted to put that out there that a lot of you guys love watching my videos but aren't subscribed. So please do that favor for me. Just consider unsubscribing, honestly, but I would love to have you here. Look forward into being friends with you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started with this relaxing day. All right, so you already know why I'm going to be doing this indoors. And I just have these squash summer that I'm going to plant in here, which are the seedlings in here. And then I'm also going to put the carrots here and then our broccoli over here. And these are so cool and very convenient. I picked these up at my local Dollar Tree, and as you guys can see, they are for $1. They can get pretty pricey, but like I mentioned, these are pretty cool that I picked them up at Dollar Tree before spring actually. So I was very skeptical about planting these over the summer or the spring just because of, like I mentioned, our high heats here in Texas. So I'm going to be doing it late summer, and hopefully this will give me a better harvest. And then I also have our organic potting mix here. It did bust on me, so that is why I have it in this container here where it should be a lot easier for me and it won't be so messy. Start by roasting your peppers, your onions, as well as your mushrooms, and also add some salt and pepper to your taste. You need a whole grain tortilla or any type of carb control tortilla, and then you're just gonna want to spread your hummus evenly over your tortilla. Okay, now add in your baby spinach. All right, so now we're gonna want to add in our roasted veggies. You can add as much as you like. All right, so last but not least, we're gonna add in our tofu for protein, And then we're just going to roll this up and add it into our pan to make it extra crispy. I'm scared. It's really good. I'm finish the last one. Just want to dip it because I'm scared it's gonna splatter.
You should make your own like little dipping.
Mmm.